Hi Emma, hi Abby, it's Dad. It's December 17th, holiday season 2025. And okay, fair warning. This starts with dad jokes, as always. It's the holidays after all. Why did the Christmas tree go to the barber? Because it's needed to trim its tinsel. And what do snowmen say when they're stressed? I need to chill. Okay, holidays always make me a little reflective. And don't worry, this is not a lecture. I don't know when you're going to see this, if ever, but maybe during this holidays, maybe a few years from now, but I wanted to leave you something steady and true. The holidays can do funny things for us. For some people, they bring warmth and joy. In others, they can feel heavy and melancholic while they're thinking and ruminating about the past. Or they can feel anxious when they're worried about the future. And sometimes it's a mix of everything. Sometimes feeling good, bad, anxious, worried, depressed. But one thing I've learned is that we can't change the past. We can't fully control the future. But what we can choose is how we meet the present moment. When we choose to be present and to see ourselves as enough and as worthy, as allowed to take up space, the season can feel lighter and even hopeful. One thing I hope you always remember is this: your worth has never been up for debate. You don't need to earn it, you don't need permission for it, and you never need to shrink or harden yourself to make someone else more comfortable. You both deserve lives filled with respect from others, yes, but most importantly from yourself and from yourselves. And I hope that you'll always remember to be kind to each other too. Sisters aren't meant to be competing or to compare each other to each other. They're meant to be in a safe place. A reminder that someone in the world knows your history and still loves you exactly as you are. If there's one quiet wish I have for this season, it's that you choose paths that feel honest, steady, and peaceful. Paths that let you grow without guilt. Paths where love doesn't come with conditions. No matter how old you get, no matter where life takes you, please know this: you are already enough. You always have been, and you always will be. And if someday our paths cross more closely again, know that my door and my heart have always stayed open, without expectations, without conditions, just love. I love both of you with all my heart, and that part never changes. Happy holidays, and I'm gonna try to give you guys this, but just because I want you to have it, and I don't know if you're gonna receive it, but hope you can have an open heart to take it. Love, Dad.